So you're watching the first day, the departure of the Rolling Barrage from Halifax, 2022, and August 1st. It was a great rollout, and we're really appreciative to everyone who came out and made this departure so phenomenal, and to the riders that made their start here and then across Canada for the Rolling Barrage PTSD Foundation. It's really incredible amount of support and incredible people. Great launch, and again, thanks Privateers Harley-Davidson for the use of the parking lot. Made things a lot easier departing here. So here we go, day one, and first few seconds, TRB 2022.
We're just getting to Peggy's Cove. It's 8:36, and we said we'd be there at 8:40, so really good for the ETA. Really nice ride out. A little overcast, not very hot. I think this turn I can look down, 16 degrees here right now, so definitely a nice comfortable temperature. Will just got ahead of us there, so should be blocked off here for our left-hand turn. Hope everyone's good in the back. Pretty long line of bikes. Been able to see them all. Canada's most iconic viewpoints. Peggy's Cove Lighthouse, sorry. Been a lot of restoration work, made it more accessible, which is really important. And super early in the morning, so walking around, pretty much have the place to ourselves. The other day coming in here was around noon, sunny day. It's a Sunday. And they were parked back on the highway there where we blocked off traffic, so construction up here. It's cut off there a little bit. one. And too. There's Warren. He's on his way in. So this is awesome. Good group. Still coming.
So I just wanted to thank the Sou'wester who owns the parking lot here at the Peggy's Cove Lighthouse for arranging an area for us to park together. It just makes it a lot more convenient getting in and getting out to the Swiss Air Memorial, which will be our next stop. And it just makes it also easier for the riders and a more memorable stop here at Peggy's Cove. So again, John, thank you very much, and your staff here at the Sou'wester in Peggy's Cove. Sometimes the small things are actually the biggest, so we really appreciate your support to the TRB. It made for a very memorable stop and a great picture.
All right, there's a big deck up there in front of the lighthouse. We're gonna all get in a group, take a picture with the lighthouse in behind us. Let's make our way up there.